Alright guys, so for today we have to change this shower tower right here because it's not fit for purpose anymore. It's all clogged, and because of that we are just going to change it with a new one. These types right here is going to be very difficult to clean all the pipe work inside, and they are not costing a lot. It's going to be cheaper just to change it and have a brand new one. Now we will have to take that shower tower off, and we are going to replace it with this one right here. Now before I'm going to take that one off, I am just going to have to install some accessories like the shower and other bits and bobs that is coming with it, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing that. It's very easy. You don't even need a lot of tools. This shower panel here is coming even with a display, the front, and it's working with 2 AA batteries, so no wiring required. So right at this point I'm just going to install the shower that is going to be somewhere around here, and we have it in that box. I'm just going to jump quickly on that. Okay. All right. So this one is just going to go inside here like this, and then we just need to tie it up. Not difficult at all. We don't need too many tools. So I believe if you already have the plumbing, everybody can change one of these babies. Now don't forget the rubber washer when you install it. If not, you are going to have some leaks. Alright guys, so this shower tower right here is coming even with the bidet system. They will give us something like this, and it will need a shower holder, something like that, and that is also in the pack. And we just need to install it on the left side right here where is the hole. We just need to insert it in, and then we are going to tie it up. It's coming even with a washer. This side right here, it doesn't have to be connected to the water because it will have a small tap the front of the shower tower, and it's going to be connected right there. And I will show you that in a few moments once that the shower tower is on the wall. Now in the pack, of course, is coming with the brackets and some pipes, some bends if you want to change directions of the pipe work. We are not going to use that because everything is already done. These are the brackets. Hopefully the old ones from the old shower, they are going to fit the new one. I don't think so, but let's try it. Now, of course, these are the mains, hot and cold. Before installing it, don't forget to shut down the water supply. I'm just going to put these aside for now, and we are ready to take out the old one. Alright, so I'm just going to turn down the water supply. from these shutout valves. And we are ready to take off the old one. Now it's going to be a little bit messy because some water probably is going to drip. Usually when you take these towers down, a little bit of water is just going to fall down. And I'm going to get wet. Hopefully not. Okay, just take it out from the brackets. Alright. And now, best thing is to have another helping hand. Because by myself it's going to be quite hard. No! Okay, right, so I just have to untighten, take off those flexibles which are connected to the mains, hot and cold. Alright, so it's out. Well, that's supposed to fall down in my head, which it didn't. Yippee! Alright, so of course it's not going to work. One of those brackets needs to go down, or that one needs to go up. But if I'm going to do that one, if I'm going to rise it up, then the shower tower is going to touch the pipes. So definitely I will need to lower this one down about this height here. So yeah, not a big job, but the things are never working like you would want to. Okay, so I have timber at the back, and that is going to make it easier. I don't have to put any row plugs. Silicon, the builder's best friend. If you ask me, the silicon and decorator's cork should be illegal. Without these, you can see the difference in between a good builder and a bad builder. These are kind of saving lives. Okay, ready to install the shower. Hello shower, where are you? Where? Here. Alright, let's put a new one in. Alright, so this is our hoses, flexibles. So we have a cold and a hot, hot on the left, cold on the right. They will have some rubber washers inside, so make sure that those are there. If not, you are going to get a leak. And you can just pop them in. Alright, so that is done for the moment. I'm just going to put the water supply on to see if I can, if I will have any leaks around here, and we are ready. Okay, so everything seems okay right here, so I can install it, but first I'm just going to put some silicone inside there because it's our best friend. Alright, so done. Now I just need to install these small accessories. Now this is the bidet, which is not looking that nice, I have to say. This hose, I mean, which is exactly here at the bottom. And there. Now this hose also has a washer inside. And then we can just put it there for the time being. And also the main shower. And this is its own shower head. Alright. We just need to connect it right here. And done. Look at that, beautiful. Except that small hose over there. Probably that should be replaced with one of these nice silver ones, maybe shorter. And of course they had to put this film on here, more publicity, which you cannot take it down. When you take it down, you are going to have a lot of glue over there, and you need to rub it down a little bit. And usually that glue is going quite it's quite difficult to take it off. I don't know why they do that, just because probably they look better in the picture. Alright guys, so our shower tower now is ready. I installed new battery on this box that is sitting right over there at the back, and let me just pull it out for you. It's right here. That is going to be very easy to change the batteries. Inside there is going like two batteries, AAA, so AAA batteries, all of them. Let me just put it quickly inside. That is the switch that is going to put the LEDs on. Right, we have a few knobs over here which are going to change the different options. Right now we are on the nozzles here. We have the waterfall, the shower. This is supposed to be the hand shower, and that's supposed to be this small tap right here. And if we are going to press up, pull up, the bidet is going to come off. And here, next one is just going to be the pressure, the power that is going to we are going to have while we are doing the shower. So if we want less water, we just have to diminish from here. And this one is just going to be cold and hot. So yeah, the thermostat. And of course we have that small thermostat that is going to tell us how hot is inside here. And yeah, I don't think that is too accurate. At the moment it's like 32 degrees. Don't think we have inside here 32 degrees. Of course it's going to stay very close to the pipes, and maybe it's going to read the hot water that is now in the pipes because I put it on earlier. So yeah, let's try it on. So at the moment is that one. So if I press down, the tap should go off. Alright, so we can diminish it from here. So we can put more pressure or less pressure. And then those are the nozzles. And that is the waterfall. We can put more pressure on, but we don't want to do that. And that is the shower. Alright, next. And that is the hand shower. And of course we can diminish from here the pressure. And again to the top down there. No, I don't really like that. It's quite ugly. And of course, hot and cold. Alright guys, so like I was saying, these showers are not that bad. They are easy to change, to replace. If all your plumbing is already done, is going to be a walk in the park. So alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one.